from Aunt Em's Quilt and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make this twisted rail fence block. It's kind of a twist on the rail fence, just like my gradation is. I'll put a link to this pattern in the description below in case you're interested. When you put these cute blocks together, you can get this star effect, and it's kind of fun. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Let's get started. To make our twisting rail fence block, we are going to want 4 background triangles that are 3.5 by 5 and 4 rectangles of prints that are 3.5 by 5. What we will do first is take our print, so it's running this way, and then we are going to take our background so it's at a right angle to it. And then we're going to take our ruler. We're going to take this 45-degree line and we're going to line it up on the edge of our background right along here. So it meets the point there. And then we are going to just draw us a line here. And I'm going to also draw a line a 1/2 inch from there. It will just give me the bonus half square triangle as I'm doing this without having so much waste. I like to pin up here in the corner and then again over here, so it just keeps things from wiggling and moving as I'm sewing. I'm going to sew on those 2 lines. So once we get sewn on the 2 lines, we're just going to line up a 1/4 inch here on the one sewn line, so we're in between. And I'm just going to cut that apart. And then we can just press this open. So I'm going to take it to the ironing board and press that open. Once you get it pressed, you're going to want 2 for each block. So you're going to do that with another set of pieces, 3.5 by 5. And then we're just going to flip those together and sew a 1/4 inch along here. And you'll end up with a block that looks like this. And you'll just rinse and repeat with that block. And then if you want to like twist and turn them, so this one is going horizontally or vertically, and this is horizontally. And we're just going to twist and turn. And you end up with this star effect. And you can keep doing that. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye.